Here we are again with the Tooned Choro-Q 0 of the Abunai Deka Leopard. So let's take a look at this guy. Abunai Deka is an old Japanese detective show, I guess. I never watched it myself. I only found out about it through collecting these toy cars. So this is number 9 from that series. So I guess they made a whole bunch of different cars from this TV show. It actually has mirrors, but I'm not going to put them on, or maybe I will. The mirrors in this case actually glue to the, let me take a look at these things. I'll put mirrors on if I think they won't break off in the future. It's possible these might be those types of mirrors, but I won't do it here on this video. I'll just do it later. Okay. So I was looking through the packaging, and I'm sure this license plate here is accurate to the real car, but I don't know if this car is actually accurate to the TV show. This is not the same car from the TV show, but I was just looking at the blue and the silver, and that's obviously this. But the grill is different, you know. These turn signals are way down, or reflectors are way down in the radiator opening. So if I look at this Leopard that was from the TV show, different license plate again, but it looks like the molding of this gold one has the reflectors there, just like this one. So I'm going to guess, you know, maybe they just put this livery onto a different casting. You know, technically they're both from the TV show, but they're not the same Nissan Leopard. Alright, so here's the foreshortening view. It's obviously squished quite a bit lengthwise. I think the wheels are relatively accurate for, you know, a toy. They're just not very attractive wheels on the real car, I guess. Maybe those are even hubcaps. I'm not sure. Alright, let's take a closer look then. Yeah, so I guess a little black paint will help those wheels out. It's interesting there's just a weird triangle in the middle of them, because the Nissan logo looks nothing like a triangle, right? It's a round circle with a square in the middle. So I'm not sure why there's a triangle here. Alright, well anyways, the door handle itself has some silver paint. And then we have this two-tone effect on the body, which looks pretty nice. It's blue up top, obviously silverish on the bottom. The side window molding is painted silver. Actually, all the windows I think have silver molding. Yep. So I'm going to guess that is accurate to one of the cars on the TV show. I just couldn't find photos of it. So yeah, black paint in there, a little grill texture and black paint, and then some sort of it's gold. That color is gold to my eyes. And then painted silver headlights and these little markers here. Little bumps here. You can see the smoke canopy. The motor is white apparently on this one. The little magnetic police light, looking good. It's all translucent plastic. Taillight's pretty good color separation, you know, orange, red, white, and then there's some blue body panel lines going through it. And really nice to see. It's pretty rare to see actually some badging on a ChoroQ. So it's a Leopard. I don't know what that says. I can't read it. I'm gonna guess that's Nissan, but it's so small it doesn't come out. But here, this is the Ultima model, and probably a 3-liter. And then we got 2 exhaust tips there. And then telling you what car it is in the series. I'm sure that's the logo for Abunai Deka, the TV show. And then here it says 2015, the 4th month of 2015, I think, was when this thing was made. So, or is that 6? I can't tell if it's a 5 or a 6. Maybe it's a 6. My camera screen's so small. Alright, so it tells you it's an F31 body code Nissan Leopard, so pretty good information. You know when it's made, you know who made it, you know what the car is, you know where it's in the series. It's number 40 of the series. So, very neat. Oh, I see what's going on here. So if that says Z40, but here it says 9. So there must have been a normal ChoroQ that is not part of the Abunai Deka franchise, and now it's number 40 in the series. So this casting, there's just a regular road version without the police light, without the license plate, and so that's what they did. So that might be possibly why my photos don't match. But anyways, it's not that important. It's a pretty cool looking toy car anyways. I like it. Okay, let's pull up the coaster. And I do have a 1/64 scale version of this. Alright, so these two 1/64s are made by Aoshima. They had a whole line of the Abunai Deka series. And so I picked up these two. These are both Leopards, but they're a little bit different. So they also have license plates. They don't match the license plate on this. But again, mold-wise, I think this gold car and this blue car are the same physical shape. But colorway-wise, it's going for more with the blue, obviously. Both of these Ayoshimas, I swapped out the wheels, and this one I even painted the interior. Actually ruining the likeness to the real movie cars, or TV show cars, but I don't care. I just want cooler looking cars. Alright, so that's it for the real comparisons. I'm going to pull out two ChoroQ Zeros. This is a Gloria, number Z44, and then Z21 is a Nissan President. And what I'm noticing is, you know, these don't have any license plates, but they also don't have any badging saying what the car is printed on the back, right? Not on the body itself, just on the sticker. But, you know, this one obviously does have those extra details. Okay. So with that said, I'm pretty sure I'll probably get some more of these ChoroQ Zeros from the Abunai Deka series because they simply have better details than the ones that are just ChoroQ Zeros alone. Alright, here we have a little update here. I went and added some paint inside the wheels. But I want to warn you guys if you tried to do this, because I was sloppy. I had extra black paint, so I was taking a Q-tip and trying to take off the extra black paint, and what it did was it literally removed the silver paint that came from the factory. So then I had to take the tires off, and I silver sharpied the silver back on there. But what I'm getting at is you might have to repaint the wheels if you try to, scrape the silver at all. There's no clear coat on it. And then I did put the mirrors on, but one of them broke off already, and I used crazy glue. So I'm not sure if it makes sense to put mirrors on these things. So I'm going to try to stick to the ones that I know it's going to stick well. So a couple warnings, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next ChoroQ Zero review.